Hey guys, it's Petra here from BigIncomeParadise.com, and this video is about direct sales tips training, how to make your prospects interested and make more sales fast. And we're gonna start with this. People care about the benefits. So what's in it for them? What can your business do for them? What can your product do for them? It's not about the products. It's not about the business, okay? So features versus benefits. What do you think most marketers use? What are they focused on? 97% of marketers, what are they focused on? Now let me know that in the comments below. Do you think features or benefits? Okay, so what a feature is, what something is. That's a feature. A benefit, what something does. So you see the difference? Okay, a benefit is only found when a feature matches a need. Now, I'm going to give you a couple of examples. These are the features and these are the benefits, okay? A feature, okay. Now, just pretend that you want to lose weight, okay? And if I tell you, this pill will help you lose weight, did that made you feel in any way, good, bad? Did you feel something? Did you think about something? Did you saw yourself taking this pill? Probably not, right? But now focus again. If I tell you, this pill will make your friends jealous of your tiny waist and your sexy beach-ready body. Did you see yourself taking this pill and having that tiny waist, sexy body, beach-ready sexy body? Probably you did, right? If you want to lose weight, I would sell you on this one faster than on this one. Why? Because not a lot of people are interested in features. They're interested in benefits. So what's in it for them? Okay, now here's another one. I really have social media courses, okay? But if I tell you, let's say I want to sell you my courses. I tell you, these are the courses that will teach you about social media marketing. Probably you're here like, take my money, I want them, right? No. But if I tell you, okay, this is gonna make you stand out of the crowd, which is 97% of marketers, right? So you're going to be at the top 3% and it's going to help you save time. So you're going to invest less time in business and more time in your family. Okay, I didn't write everything here because it's too long, but this is what I would say to you. So would you buy here or here? Right? If you say I wouldn't buy anywhere, okay, probably because we don't know each other that much and I would have to build a relationship first, right? But if you would know me, you would trust me, you would probably say no here and yes here. Or at least you would look at it here. But here you would just avoid me and say, no thanks, I don't need this, right? So always focus on benefits. And you are really going to be the top 3% because 97% of people are doing this, okay? So I want you to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you for watching this video and cheers to your success.